if you're compulsive by nature, right? And if you're not trained, you've been raised, not raised, if you've been exposed to this all your life since your childhood, and your parents drank all of this, what would that infant child going to drink when they are communicating, when they're capable at very, very young age, and particularly when they post with advertising like this, with a young woman with a flashy flying hairstyle, holding onto a bottle infused with all kinds. They'll think that is the thing that makes them